Hello everyone, the method of installing the Google GMS on the latest version of HarmonyOS 2 on Huawei mobile phones in 2022 is slightly different from the method I shared earlier in 2021. First of all, you need to upgrade your mobile phone HarmonyOS to the latest version. The method shown in this video is to install the native Google GMS on the latest version of HarmonyOS 2. The operation steps are fewer and simpler than before. Just follow the steps in this video step by step. I'm sure you will succeed. This method is suitable for Huawei's Mate30, Mate40, P40, P50, Honor v30, Nova 6, and other mobile phones with HarmonyOS 2 system. Okay, let's go. Okay, now welcome to my Huawei mobile phone. First, we go to the settings and go to the system and update and click software update. Let's have a check if your HarmonyOS 2 is the latest version of the HarmonyOS. If not, please select the check for the update to upgrade to the latest version of HarmonyOS. For my version, you can see your software is up to date. It means my HarmonyOS is up to date. For you, if you not receive these words, then you need to upgrade to the latest version of the HarmonyOS. Okay, let's go back and go back. Then go to About Phone here. Go to About Phone and click the build number. Here, click 7 times to make your phone go to the developer mode. Let's go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then if you have a lock screen lock password, then you need to key in the password to enable this developer's mode. Okay, I key in my password and said you are now a developer. You are now a developer. Then we go back to the menu and go to the system and update. Let's go and scroll down and you will find that developer options. Let's go to the developer options and go to here to enable the USB debugging here. USB debugging, we needed to enable the USB debugging. Click OK and click always prompt when connecting to USB enabled. And monitor apps installed by ADB we switched off, and allow ADB debugging in charge only mode we switch on these options. Okay, so now it's we finished the settings on the mobile phone. Then next step, we needed to connect the cable with our PC here. We needed to connect the cable here. Connect the cable with our PC. Yeah, and connect it. Then you need to choose the transfer files. Click this one, transfer files, and share your files with your computer. Which Huawei share, just ignore. Then if you got some warnings here said you needed to trust these PCs, then you needed to click tick in and click trust this PC. Okay, if you have these pop-up windows on your mobile phone. Okay, then we just put our phone aside. Put phone aside. Then we go to the PC. For the PC, we needed to download ADB files. These ADB files, and I will put the web link down below this video for you. Then you can click the link to download the ADB file on the PC side. Click this blue button to download this ADB file. Not very big, around 24 megabyte. Okay, I already downloaded, so I don't need to click this button. Let me go back to my download file here. This is the ADB file. Then I needed to extract this ADB file. I'll extract the ADB file here. Okay, extracted. Then I go to this file and go to the platform tool, and I will copy this file. Platform tool. This is folder. I copy this folder to my C drive. Yes, to my C drive here. To copy this folder to my C drive, root C drive here, the C drive root folder, and paste this platform tool on my C drive root. Okay, finished the copy. Then I double click to go into this folder, and you need to open the ADB command. this file, and you will use these 3 command lines later. And you can see this old backup.apk. We will use the ADB tool to uninstall the latest version of the backup app on your Huawei phone and reinstall the old backup app into your Huawei mobile phone. Then we can continue our process. But before we doing the ADB file, if your computer have not installed the USB driver, then you need to go to the USB driver folder here, USB driver folder, and find the Android Win USB.inf this file, and right click your mouse and click install here to install the driver, and it will pop up the window. Click yes to install the USB driver if your PC have not yet installed the Windows USB driver for your Huawei mobile phone. But if you have already installed the USB driver, you just ignore this process of the USB driver installation. Okay, then we go to the start menu and click CMD, manually key in the CMD here. You can see the CMD, and you will find the command prompt here. To open the command prompt, then we go to using this command line here, and copy the first command line, copy, and go to the command, and use your mouse, right click your mouse here, it will paste the command line here. Right click mouse and click enter, so you will go, we already in this platform tools, then we go to copy the next command line here and go to the command prompt and right click your mouse, and click enter, the command line here, click enter, then daemon will start, and you will see there's a warning on your mobile phone. Then you need to click this one and click OK to trust this PC. Yeah, that's why we needed to trust this PC to doing the ADB functions. Okay, we click OK. Okay, then we just put your phone aside, and you can see success here. You can see success. We already uninstalled the latest backup app from your Huawei phone. Then we go to the third command line here and right click this. You right click your mouse, yeah, and the command here. Then click enter of your keyboard. Click enter of your keyboard. Yeah, you can see success. Okay, so now we finished our process on the PC side. All the next steps are only on your mobile phones. So we just unplug from our PC. Then all the next steps are all on our mobile phones. Okay, let's go to the mobile phone desktop. Now we open the Huawei's browser here. Open the Huawei's browser and open this link. I will put this web link down below this video for you to directly click that link to download the mobile zip file. This file download using this browser to onto your mobile phone. Okay, then I click the mobile, click this blue button to download. Okay, then click this download. The file is around 200 megabytes. Just wait for several minutes. Okay, now we finished the download of this file. Let's go back to the desktop, and then we go to the file here. The file, internal file, agree, and go to the browse, and go to my phone here, and go to the download folder, and go to browser. Now you can see your downloaded mobile zip already here. Then you long time click this mobile.zip and click more, and click extract to current location. Click OK. Okay, now it is extracted. Then go to mobile, and you will find 2 folders into the extracted file. Then we long time click this Huawei and click copy, and other location here is other location, and go to click the phone here, this phone, and click right click on top of the tick here. Okay, then there will be apply to all. Click this one and click merge to merge the file. Okay, now merged. Okay, finished. Then we go back to the desktop. Then we go to the settings, and the first thing we need to check is the app and service. Here, go to the app and service. You need to disable your app twin here, this option. For my mobile phone, app twin I already disabled. So you need to disable the app twin, otherwise you will have problem when you do the next steps. Okay, let's go back and go to the system and update here. System and update, and we needed to go to the app guard here. We need to disable the app guard here. Disable, otherwise you have a problem. Click disable. And it will require your, if you have a lock screen password, then you need to key in your lock password of your screen. Okay, disabled this app guard, then go back. Then we needed to go to the date and time here. Date and time, we needed to switch off the set automatically. Switch off and go to setting your date to 2019. Yeah, 2019. Okay, then we go to OK and go back. Then we go to the backup and restore. This menu here, backup and restore, and agree. Click agree, allow only while in use, allow. Click OK, then finish, then go to the top 4 dots here, You can see there's no menu of the backup from the internal storage. No problem, you need to go back and go to backup and restore again, then click the 4 dots again. You can see restore from internal storage. Then we need to click this menu, and you find this file, this archive. Then we click this archive and click restore. Then you need to key your password. Password already there, A12345. Just down below, click key in A1234567 Okay, key in the password and key in, click OK. Then the archive will be restored. Then click done. Okay, then we go back. Then we go to our desktop. Let's have a look. Go to our desktop. Then you will find there's a Google Assistant here. This application already on your desktop. Okay, then we just click this, open this Google Assistant. This application is very important. Okay, then you will see this list of these authorities. Then we need to click this activate, and click allow, and click this blue button download. Then you will see those options are in the circle, and it is said is downloading. It's no problem if you said it failed download. This button for other color like failed download, no problem. We just leave it. No problem if there you see something like not download, not successful, or download it is failed. No problem. We just leave it like this. No problem. Then we go back to our desktop. Go back to File Manager here, File Manager, and go to the file of GMS folder. GMS folder, and install the Google file APK, the last one. We click this one to install this Google file. Yeah. Okay, we click allow. Okay, then we click install. Okay, we finished the installation. Then we go back to the desktop. You can see now the Google file already on the desktop. Then we click the Google file to open it. This is an automatic app to install the Google applications, Google's GMS automatically. Very easy to install the Google GMS. Then click let's go. Yeah, and click here, click allow. Click allow. Okay, then click OK. So now you can see there is several buttons, and you can see this this button is clear using delete all the Google services. If you previously installed the Google applications but you failed, then you can use this button to delete all the Google services and other apps which could prevent you from using Google Fi the right way. So you don't have to do a factory reset. So this function is very useful. If you already previously you installed the Google applications, then you can use this function to delete all of them automatically, very easy. For me, I'm not installed those Google applications, so I just ignore this button. I just start from the first step. Okay, then I start from the step 1, click this one, and click OK, and it automatically link to the set time automatically. Then I click set automatically for the time. Yeah. Okay, then I go back. After that, I click the first step again. But you can see when I click the first step, there's no feedback. Can see there's no feedback, no problem. We have a solution for fix this issue. If you click this first step, is no feedback of the first button. Then we go back to the desktop and go to the settings and go to system and update here, and go to the date and the time here, and we go to the setting automatically. We switch it off. And go to setting the date to 2021. Please remember 2021, and go to OK. Then go back to the desktop and open Google Fi again. Yeah, then we go to the first step. Click that one. Then you can see the feedback normally. Then we go to click OK, and now the process can be continued. Okay, then we click allow, install, to install the Huawei's Micro G. After the installation, we click open and click account. Just wait a second. When you click the sign, before you click in the sign in, you need to go back to the desktop and go to the settings and go to the system and update and go to the date and the time again. Then you need to switch on the set automatically of the time. Let's go to switch on the set automatically of the date and the time. Then go back to desktop and go to Google Fi again. Then we need to sign in. Click sign in, this button, to sign in your Google's account. First time crashes, then click next time, second time, sign in. Click this button. Let's log into the Google's account. Okay, then we already on the Google's website. Then we just key in your Gmail account. Okay, I finished keying my Google account. Click next. Okay, then key in your Google account, Gmail's password. Then click next. Okay, then click I agree. Okay, we already logged in your Google account. Then click cancel. Now you can see the first step is automatically disappeared. So for the next step 2, if you have the second and third and fourth Google account, then you can use the second button to log in your several Google account. So your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 several Google account. For me, I only have one Google account, so I just jump to the step 3. I jump to the step 3, so I don't need to use the step 2. Okay, then click step 3. Then all the next steps are all automatically. You just click according to the instructions. Allow, install. Done. 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 Okay, then we click OK and click here for stop and uninstall. Click OK and click OK again. Allow, install. Click done. Okay, now the Google Files mission already finished. All the things already finished. Now we don't need to using the Google File again. Then go back to the desktop. Then you can see the Play Store already on your desktop here. Then we go to the settings again to have a look. Go to settings. You can see the Google's account already here. Click Google account. You will find your Google account already logged in here. And go back and go to the users and account here. Users and account. You can see Google account already here. Click that one and click my account. And you can switch on the sync contact and sync people. Yeah, so now Google account can be work perfectly on your Huawei mobile phone. Then we go back to the desktop and we go to open the Play Store here. Yeah, perfect. My Play Store can be opened successfully. And we go to the settings here to do some settings here. Click settings and app download. We can ask me every time. Download, done. And auto update apps. We don't auto update apps. We need to control by ourselves. Click done. Okay, now let's go back. Then we needed to download some Google, YouTube, Gmail, and Google Maps, some apps very easily. For me, I download YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Click search, and you can see here YouTube can be found, and we click install to install and download and install the YouTube for my phone. Okay, now YouTube finished the installation. Let's go back to desktop. You can see the YouTube already there. We open the YouTube to have a look. Yeah, perfect. Now the YouTube can be opened successfully, and there's no any other warning for me because and it can play the videos successfully. Play the video. Go back to my screen desktop. For me, I already finished the whole process because I'm using the Huawei Nova 6 5G. After this process, there's no any warnings of like your device is not Google protected certified. For me, I have not get these error warnings from this phone. But if you have these warnings like your device is not Google Play certified, then you can refer to my previous videos on how to fix these error warnings of your device is not Google Play certified. You can refer to the link down below this video. You can to fix these error warning issues. But for me, the whole process is finished because I have not yet got these error warnings and everything works perfect. If you like my sharings, don't forget to sum up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time in the next video. Bye bye.